Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial component of your vehicle safety and performance, windshield wiper blades. Specifically, we'll be reviewing the best silicone wiper blades on the market. Silicone wiper blades are known for their durability and superior performance in all weather conditions. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 7 picks to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have REGEN 830126 Silicone Endura Wiper Blades. These blades are designed with advanced technology to provide exceptional durability and performance. The silicone material used in these blades is treated to withstand extreme weather conditions, including heat and cold, ensuring they last longer than traditional rubber blades. This resilience makes them an excellent investment for those looking to maintain clear visibility throughout the year. The aerodynamic design of the REGEN 830126 blades reduces wind lift and noise, ensuring a quiet and smoother operation even at high speeds. This design also contributes to better contact with the windshield, resulting in a streak-free wipe every time. The precision-engineered silicone edge is coated with a proprietary formula that enhances water repellency, improving visibility during heavy rain. In addition to their high performance, these wiper blades are easy to install with a universal adapter that fits most vehicles. The innovative design ensures that the blades maintain consistent pressure along the length of the blade, reducing the likelihood of streaks or missed spots. With the REGEN brand's reputation for quality, these blades are a reliable choice for any driver looking to upgrade their wiper system.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have TRICO Silicone Ceramic Windshield Wiper Blades. These blades are a top contender in the silicone wiper blade market. These blades are infused with ceramic particles, enhancing their durability and performance. The combination of silicone and ceramic offers a unique blend of flexibility and strength, ensuring the blades maintain their shape and effectiveness over time. The design of the TRICO blades features a dual shield coating that provides additional protection against elements, reducing wear and tear. This coating also helps in repelling water and dirt, keeping the windshield clear in various weather conditions. The blades are designed to perform well in both hot and cold climates, making them a versatile choice for drivers in different regions. Installation is straightforward. Thanks to the easy lock connector system that fits most wiper arms, the TRICO blades also boast an advanced aerodynamic design that minimizes wind drag and noise, ensuring a quiet and efficient wiping action. The consistent pressure distribution across the blade's length ensures a thorough and streak-free wipe, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. Next up at number 3, we have Piaa 95055 Super Silicone Wiper Blade. This blade is renowned for its superior performance and longevity. Made with high-quality silicone rubber, these blades are designed to endure the harshest weather conditions while maintaining their effectiveness. The silicone rubber is treated with a patented water-repellent formula that coats the windshield with every swipe, improving visibility during rain. The aerodynamic frame of the Piaa 95055 blades reduces wind lift and ensures a quiet operation even at high speeds. The design also enhances the blade's contact with the windshield, providing a thorough and streak-free wipe. The precision tension steel frame is durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring the blades maintain their integrity over time. One of the standard features of the Piaa 95055 blades is the ease of installation. The blades come with multiple adapters to fit a wide range of vehicles, making the installation process quick and hassle-free. With their combination of durability, performance and ease of use, the Piaa 95055 Super Silicone Wiper Blades are a top choice for drivers seeking reliable and long-lasting wiper blades. The number 4 position is held by PEEK Silicone Windshield Wiper Blade. This blade offers a blend of durability and performance, making them a great choice for drivers who demand the best. These blades are constructed from high-grade silicone, which is resistant to degradation from UV rays, ozone, and extreme temperatures. This durability ensures that the blades maintain their performance over a longer period compared to traditional rubber blades. The PEEK wiper blades feature an advanced aerodynamic design that reduces wind lift and noise, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. The silicone edge is treated with a water-repellent coating, which helps to improve visibility during heavy rain by promoting water buildup and runoff. This coating also reduces the need for frequent wiping, as the water is quickly cleared from the windshield. Installation is made easy with the included universal adapter, which fits most vehicles. The blades are designed to maintain consistent pressure across the length of the blade, providing a streak-free wipe and reducing the likelihood of missed spots. With their high-quality construction and advanced features, PEEK Silicone Windshield Wiper Blades are a reliable and efficient choice for any driver. The number 5 position is dominated by 5+ Silicone Wiper Blades 22-inch. 5+ Silicone Wiper Blades are designed to deliver exceptional performance and durability. These 22-inch blades are made from premium silicone rubber, which offers superior resistance to extreme weather conditions and UV damage. The silicone material ensures that the blades remain flexible and effective over time, providing a clear and streak-free wipe in all conditions. The aerodynamic design of the 5+ blades minimizes wind lift and noise, ensuring quite an efficient operation. The blades are also equipped with a water-repellent coating that enhances visibility by promoting water runoff. The feature is particularly beneficial during heavy rain, as it helps to keep the windshield clear and reduces the need for constant wiping. Installation is straightforward thanks to the universal adapter that fits most wiper arms. The 5+ blades are designed to maintain even pressure along the length of the blade, ensuring thorough contact with the windshield and reducing the likelihood of missed spots. With their combination of durability, performance and ease of installation, 5+ silicone wiper blades are an excellent choice for drivers looking to upgrade their wiper system. Next, step number 6, we have BERG REGEN Silicone Windshield Wiper Blades. These blades are a top choice for drivers seeking reliability and high performance. These blades are crafted from premium silicone, offering exceptional resistance to extreme temperatures and UV damage. The durable silicone material ensures that the blades maintain their flexibility and effectiveness over time, providing a clear and streak-free wipe. The aerodynamic design of the BERG REGEN blades reduces wind lift and noise, ensuring a quiet and smooth operation even at high speeds. The silicone edge is treated with a water-repellent coating, which helps to improve visibility during heavy rain by promoting water buildup and runoff. The feature reduces the need for frequent wiping and helps to keep the windshield clear. The BERG REGEN blades are designed for easy installation with a universal adapter that fits most vehicles. The blade maintains consistent pressure across their length, ensuring thorough contact with the windshield and reducing the likelihood of streaks or missed spots. With their high-quality construction and advanced features, BERG REGEN silicone windshield wiper blades are a reliable and efficient choice for any driver. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the WOWIPER Silicone Windshield Wiper Blades. These blades are designed to provide superior performance and durability, making them an excellent choice for drivers who demand the best. Made from high-grade silicone, these blades offer excellent resistance to extreme temperatures and UV damage, ensuring they remain effective over time. The aerodynamic design of these blades minimizes wind lift and noise, ensuring a quiet and efficient operation. The silicone edge is treated with a water-repellent coating that enhances visibility by promoting water runoff. This feature is particularly beneficial during heavy rain, as it helps to keep the windshield clear and reduces the need for constant wiping. Installation is made easy with the included universal adapter, which fits most vehicles. These blades are designed to maintain even pressure along the length of the blade, providing a streak-free wipe and reducing the likelihood of missed spots. And that wraps up our review of the best silicone wiper blades on the market. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect wiper blades for your vehicle, ensuring clear visibility and safe driving in all weather conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which wiper blades you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.